This is the, this is the, value that I've got. Okay. And again, like we saw in the previous sheet, these are the expected values. Okay. So now, yes, we have this. Okay, you might as well just make it 12/04/2016. Okay, mind you, this is in month, date, year format, but you have only eight dates over here. Assume you have 800 dates. You cannot basically manually put everything. All right. So what you would do, so you would just use this function called text, which is again, this is one of the strongest formulas, again, which is often not used by many people, from what I've seen. So I'm going to convert this text into date. Okay, how do I do it? So I've selected the text and I'm going to give a format to it. Okay. Again, so any format should come in double inverted commas. So uh, that's month, date, and year. Okay, and let's close this. From a you know from just being a number, it became date. Okay. So Excel is, again, it's a wonderful tool. It understands all this stuff and gives you data that the way you wanted. Okay. Now let's for argument's sake, let's bring in a different date over, maybe different month over here. Okay. So now from this date I want to extract only year. So how do I do it? Yes, I was able to get into get in the date format. But can I extract a specific information from this? Yes. Okay. Again, we use the same function called text. Okay. So this is the value that I'm looking. So B3 is the date that you've created from this text. So from that date, can we extract only year? Yes, we can. And I'm sure you would. What do we do in month and date case? Same thing. We go here and then just use text function again. Select this and then just see. Just put in the method, the format that you want. Okay. So I've used mmm over here, so it gives me in the letters. Just say, suppose if I want only the number, just use m. Okay, it gives you the number. All right. um, and even if you use this, it gives you the number. If you want it to be in text format, then use three letters. Okay. So again, date, same stuff. Use text as the function. Okay. And then use date as the, or dd as the format. And then it gives you the data. Okay. So now in here, we wantedly introduced a different month. Let's if this is working out as expected. Yeah. So we introduced 11th as month over here. If you look at over here, it does. Okay. Say, this is the metadata that we have. Okay. Say if you change it to 2025, you see everything else changes. Say if you were to change it to 2025 March, it changes. So that's the beauty of, Excel, right? You have, and if you look at this now, it doesn't even look like a date. You do not have a month. You do not have a proper date format to it. Just from a simple text, we were able to get this different information. All right. So that's the beauty of Excel, and that's the beauty of using formulas instead of using something that is really static. Okay.